Today I'm going to show you how to make a bird feeder out of a plastic bottle. These are things you're going to need: a knife, scissors, string and a plastic bottle. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to cut the plastic off, paper or plastic or whatever you got on there. What I usually do is I rinse the bottle out first. This is just to show you how it's done. Right. So, plastic bottle. You can do them in small bottles as well, but I've only got a big bottle at the moment, so right. This is what we gotta do. I usually do it for house sparrows, little house sparrows, but you can do it as big as you want. So I'm gonna start there and cut a couple of lines. And down to about there. Cut that. Sorry guys, doing this off my mobile is not the best. Right, and the scissors. Push the plastic in. And cut. That. And then you can also, what you could do is cut the sides and the bottom, fold it up, and you've got shelter from rain. But I don't do that. See, like that. The shelter from the rain. Right, we go to the next side now. We got one just there. So I'm going to try and get the rest of this off. Right. So we do it by there. Here we go. And then you go down. One, two, three, four. By there. Scissors. Also guys, I wouldn't let a kid do this because the plastic can get really sharp. Alright, and then this side. Like I said, you can leave it like that if you want, stop the rain coming in. I never put too much birdseed in it anyway. So it should look like this. One on one side, one on the other side. Next thing we gotta do is, there's the lid. Put an hole in the top of the lid. Right. There's the hole. We get some string now. String. If you're hanging it from a tree, or you might need a bit more, but I don't really need that much, so I'm gonna thread it through now. Well, try to anyway, at least. Alright, tie a knot in the bottom. Like that. Bit more, I think. The hole's a bit big in the cap, so I'll do it a bit more. And you can use an old lace if you haven't got any string in the house. That's what I done with the last ones I done. Pull it tight. As tight like that, see? Got the top back on, and then you can hang it out for the birds. Take it out, take you out the back and show you what they like. And then they look like that. Cheap and easy, and they use them.